Yeah, hey, big emotions, real support. Let's go. Heart going fast, thoughts collide. Too much noise inside my mind. Anxious, panic, freaking out. Everything loud, I'm losing ground. Big test day, can't think straight. Hands won't stop, heart won't wait. Chest feels tight, breath feels thin. Yeah, that's when I know where to begin. When my system starts to slip, I don't freeze, I reach for it. Open the feel like shh, feel like okay, yeah, slow it down, yeah, I got this. Anxious thoughts, panic hits, this emotional first day at the jit. Brain maze calm, simple shifts from freaked out to focus quick. When life comes hard and won't quit, I trust to feel like shh. Feel like Phuket. Big presentation, all I stare. Crowd too close, air feels rare. Mind goes blank, body reacts. Ice pack cold, snap me back. Fidget squeeze, hands relax. Pull me out of panic fast. Stress hits hard, but I don't quit. I got tools right here for this. The feel like shh. Feel like Phuket. Open the feel like shh, feel like Phuket. That fear is scared, but just get time. Spotlight, this is the most of fast. Me check some penny board, you some overwhelm, remember it. When life gets hard and I feel like perp, I feel like shh. Feel like Phuket. I love my feel like shh. Feel like poop, emotional fast and get the host to check. Just as that you need to go, you check. Go.